Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft To Do for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to Office 365. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now navigate to office.com. We have it as a shortcut on the toolbar, the menu bar. Click on Office 365. Now let's go all the way to the left hand side navigation menu. Go to the bottom left corner of the screen, all applications, navigate to Do. Keep track of your tasks in one place with intelligence that helps you collect, prioritize, and get more done together. Let's click on To Do. And there we go. We are now on the screen that will allow us to prioritize all the tasks that we have in the working day. So today is the 9th of February 2022, Wednesday, as you can see on screen. My day. Let's add a task. Complete today's YouTube video. Return, enter. That's the task for today. So what we can do is we can click the To Do task, add a step, and when I do create these videos, what I do then is first I record, then I edit, export, and then upload. I can add this to my day. We can get rid of that, or we can bring that back. Add to my day. Remind me tomorrow if we want. We can add a due date, like this is due for tomorrow. You will be notified. We can have this on repeat if we want. We can pick a category if we require. We can also attach a file if we need to, and we can also add a note. So let's create another task. Watch some tutorials online. We can sort this by importance, due date, alphabetically, or creation date. So let's just sort by creation date. Let's create a new list on the left hand side navigation menu. Video ideas, and let's go to my date. We can move the current tasks to video ideas if we wish to. Move to video ideas, and then let's click on video ideas, and there we go. So if we go back to my day and then navigate to video ideas, let's now say you sign into your account, go to the to-do list, and now you have completed a task for today. What you would do to complete that task on to-do list, you would click mark as completed, again mark as completed for the next task, and those two tasks have now been completed. Mark as important. If we wish to, let's now go back to my day. Let's add another task. Remember to sign out. We can mark this as important. If we go to important now, the task should be there. Let's now right click, copy the task to video ideas. Go to video ideas, click on the task, and click on completed. There you go. We can also assign this task to, or have this task assigned to a different individual, or an individual can assign a task to you. So anything is assigned to you will show up on your page. And so let's go back to my day, click on mark as completed. That task itself is done, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.